Here's what you are going to do if your property palette is not found or your project browser is not found. First, if I mistakenly click on this close icon now, you see that my property palette is no longer here. So what you do to bring it back is simply right click on an empty space like this where there is nothing, and the moment you right click, you will see property. Click on it. If you don't see it, just follow the arrow like this, and the moment I click on this now, you see that it will come back. So that is how to bring back your property palette or project browser. And as you are working, make sure you don't mistakenly click on this icon. Don't click on this icon, but peradventure you mistakenly click on it, you can just use that method to bring it back. See you in the next video. Bye.